Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into one of the most powerful control statements in C++, the switch statement. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use switch statement like a pro. Let's start with a brief introduction to the switch statement. The switch statement provides an elegant way to perform different actions based on the value of a variable or an expression. It's often used as an alternative to long chains of if-else statements, making our code more readable and efficient. Now let's take a look at the syntax of the switch statement. The expression in the switch statement is usually of the integer or numerated type, but it can also be a character or a string. Each case represents a specific value that the expression can take, and we can have multiple cases for different actions. The default case is optional and is executed if none of the cases match. Let's jump into an example to see the switch statement in action. Suppose we have a variable called day representing the day of the week as an integer. We want to display a corresponding message based on the day's value. Here's how we can do it with a switch statement. In this example, since the value of day is 3, the code under the case 3 label will be executed. Tuesday will be printed to the console. Tuesday is printed on the console. Now let's go over some common mistakes to avoid when using the switch statement. Forgetting to include the break statement after each case. If you omit the break statement, the code execution will fall through to the next case, leading to unexpected results. Using non-constant expressions as case labels. Case labels must be constant values that can be evaluated at compile time. Forgetting the default case when it's necessary. The default case acts as a fallback option when none of the case match. That's it for this tutorial on the switch statement in C++. We have learned how to use this powerful statements to perform different actions based on variable values. Remember to practice using this switch statement to become more comfortable with its usage. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for